Yeah, the work is about to start. This is the layout of the panel. 3 panels is going to be here. 6 is going to be here. I'm about to go and start drawing. It's bringing the panels up. Yeah, we are here today again to do the final phase of the solar installation. Yeah, the other 6 panels is up. As you can see, this is the tree that was run yesterday. The wire is already out, it's just remaining connection. So the connections, we have 3 in series, and then the 3 whole series will now go together in parallel, because the MPPT we are using, the inverter MPPT, is 145 volts. So the 3 connections, you should be about 120 something or 1. So that's a very good combination. I've already run this one in series already. So this is the positive wire and this is the negative wire to be connected. The same goes for this one. This is the negative 1, 2, 3. This is the positive one. So